Ko-office Turekam U District Sports Officer Southwest Khasi Hills District harangkat kajinga Turelang bat ke Southwest Khasi Hills District Athletics Association menta ke sengi ke arpusan Trek Uyayong arjar arpusan kilayo ban penkut no ya ke 11th Southwest Khasi Hills District Level Inter-School Athletics Meet arjar arpusan kabalalong Hamadan Rowell Lingdo Stadium. Haka ni ke lempung ngilek kai sports ki kena school ke Nativity High Secondary School mau kerwat kelalong ke Lahduh na barok ki lai punyau teli ke school ki belayo ban wani shimenta kata hadin bakalayo ban Khurbon tam kita kemaksiar da ke bakalayo khat prateli khat wei teli ki rupa bat khat lai teli ki renong da ke bakalayo ru ya ke best team girls but best team boys. Haka day bagi match pass ya ke nam beningkong layo ra de ke Little Star High Secondary School ke Bawan Baar ke Nativity High Secondary School bat ke Bawan Balai ke JKMP Secondary School mau kerwat. Syuk haka ni ke sengi layo ru ban sam khusnam ya ki best athletics ya ki bahapo khat saw khat riu bat khat prasnem ki bakentup ya ki kentai bat chinrang. Uba DP Mukti Executive Engineer ke Water Resources Southwest Khasi Hills District Ulalong Kongsan harangkat ke Jingedonlang uba Damang Singkon DSO Southwest Khasi Hills District kinohikai ki kena school bat ki wede ki riurang ba ki belasyak khot ngobha.
Congratulating all the young athletes for their enthusiasm, dedication and exemplary sportsmanship. As we know, sports are a vital part of our holistic development, fostering qualities such as discipline, teamwork, resilience and perseverance. Today's event is a testimony to the spirit of healthy competition and camaraderie among our youth. I urge all the participants to carry forward these lessons beyond the sport field into every aspect of your life. I would like to extend my deepest appreciation to the District Sports Officer and his dedicated team. Your unwavering commitment, meticulous planning and hard work have been instrumental in bringing this event to fruition. Your effort exemplify true leadership and service to the community, and I commend you for your exemplary dedication. To all the schools of Southwest Khasi Hills, teachers and everyone involved in making this event successful, your collective effort have created an inspiring platform for our young talents. It is through your support and such events continue to strive and motivate our students to pursue excellence.
Award goes to Nativity High Secondary School.